Tap into a goldmine of motivated sellers by mastering Propstream's expired listing filter. First, unlock the power of Propstream once you're logged in. Navigate to the main property search interface. The key to finding expired listings lies within the filter options. Look for the listing status filter. Click on this filter and carefully select Expired. This action will immediately refine your search results to only show properties that were previously on the market but are no longer active. You'll see these properties visually represented on the map. Notice how they might be clustered in specific areas, indicating potential pockets of opportunity. Now, let's dive into the details of an expired listing. Examine crucial information like days on market and the original list price. This gives you insight into how long the property has been off market and its previous asking price. Understanding why a property expired is essential. Use Propstream's comparable sales data to analyze the market and identify potential pricing issues or other factors that may have contributed to the listing expiring. Once you've identified promising expired listings, it's time for action. You can directly generate mailing lists or export the data to reach out to these potentially motivated sellers directly. This is your chance to connect with homeowners who have already expressed a desire to sell. Offer your services, propose solutions, and potentially secure fantastic off-market deals before they even hit the market again. Master expired listings with Propstream and unlock a powerful strategy for real estate success.